We all know moving can be, well, a bit chaotic, right? And sometimes using self-storage seems like the perfect way to keep things under control. But hold up! Before you start packing that storage unit, let's chat about the top 5 mistakes we definitely want to avoid. Overpacking your boxes. Look, we get it. You want to fit everything into one box. But if you can't lift it without grunting, it's probably too heavy. Let's not turn our move into a weightlifting competition. Blocking access to important items. Ever had that moment when you really need something and it's buried behind a mountain of furniture? Yeah, let's avoid that. Keep your must-haves at the front for easy grabbing. Not labeling boxes. Is this the kitchen box or the bedroom box? Who knows? Pro tip, label everything. Your future self will thank you when you don't have to open 10 boxes just to find a spoon. Forgetting to protect fragile items. No one likes unpacking broken dishes or shattered picture frames. Wrap those fragile items up like they're precious cargo, because they are. Storing perishable items. Let's be real, no one wants to come back to a storage unit full of expired snacks. Keep the perishables at home. You don't want any uninvited guests. There you have it, 5 easy mistakes to avoid while using self-storage during a move. Keep it light, keep it organized, and you'll sail through the process stress-free. For safe and secure storage, visit us at arcosstorage.com. We've got you covered!